Now, next question is how much to start with. Okay, this is also a question which is repeatedly asked, that how much money should I start with in the market? Okay, you might have all the money in the world, you might have lakhs of rupees which you want to invest, but because you are starting out and because you are not very proficient with this, you should not put all your money in it. Okay, there is a saying in finance that don't put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, which basically means what? Do not put all your money in one single trade. Okay, so let's take a presumption that you have, say, 50,000 rupees with which you are planning to start. Okay, do not put one investment or don't make one trade of 50,000 rupees. Okay, always see to it that you do not, if you have 50,000 rupees, you do not put more than, say, 10,000 rupees in one share. Okay, make bifurcations, make diversifications. Okay, if you are even less confident about a share, or if you are not very confident about what analysis you are doing, start with 5,000 rupees per investment or per trade. Okay, this will see to it that you do not lose more than an X amount in a trade. So for example, if I decide that I don't want to lose, say, 1,000 rupees every trade, so I should see to it that, okay, fine, if I don't want to lose more than 1,000 rupees a trade, I should invest not more than 10,000 rupees for one trade. Okay, and keep a maximum cap of, say, 10%, that okay, fine, I will not lose more than 10% in one trade. So in any circumstances, I will not lose more than 1,000 rupees. Okay, so what I would suggest is that if you are starting with, say, like I said, 50,000 rupees, don't put more than, say, 10,000 rupees per share. Okay, per trade. And if you are, say, starting with a smaller amount, say if you're starting with 20,000 rupees, do one trade of 5,000 rupees each. If you're starting with 10,000 rupees, do probably, say, 3,000 rupees trade for each. Once you get confident, once you see, okay, my strategies are working, I am getting good returns, then you can start increasing your investments. Okay, one more rule that you should follow: never borrow money or never take loan for starting to invest. Only use money which you are confident you will not require. Okay, if you have extra money, if you have money that you want to invest, okay, only use that money, and that also not all of it. Okay, because there are stories of people becoming millionaires in the market. There are also stories of people losing a lot of money in the market. There's a theory in the market that when 99% of people lose money in the market, 1% people make money. So you have to get into that 1%, which is not going to be very easy. Okay, so you have to plan that. You have to, okay, there is one more theory in the market: you do not operate in the market to only make profits. You operate in the market to see to it that you don't lose your capital. Okay, so as long as you're not losing capital, in the end of the day you will make money. Okay, so these are some of the points that you have to take into consideration when you are starting to invest in the market.